All right, thanks for joining me today on my investment challenge. And today I'm going to be getting into a whole bunch of things. First of all, we're going to be talking about what my weekly goal is. We're going to be talking about the buys and sells that happened today, and let's jump right into it. So I'm just going to start off with my current balance is sitting at $542.27, and that's as of this morning, July 28th. Happy birthday to me, and that is approximately, what am I up, about 50% above what my expectation was. By the end of July, I was supposed to be at 384.23, so that is quite a bit higher. My goal is based on what my expectation was, so the 384. The reason being is I got to at least make that much this week, which is $15.37. I've been kind of hitting on and off with reaching my goal, and I had a couple of good weeks that went beyond that number. I shouldn't say $15, the percentage, which is 4%. And the reason it's 4% is that's how I'm going to reach my $1 million. So it gets larger all the time. So basically, every $100 that I own should be making about $3, give or take, right? So roughly in that range. So I should be trading at least 3 times with every 100 that I own, or quite a bit more, so closer to 4 times if I was at my actual rate that I was supposed to be at, 384, the amount I'm supposed to be at. So let's get into what stocks bought and sold today. So today being July 28th, basically I've got NWC, which came through at 141, and you can see I bought that July 25th. So that was a Friday buy. That's perfect. That's what I want within 24 hours. I went ahead and sold a fractional amount that I had kind of lingering from way back when. It was up about 19%. So I got rid of that. It's only $1.19. But of course, the buy today was CP at 104.20. And I felt like CP was a good buy today. It's down over the last little bit. And it's kind of questionable. I feel like there's going to be a bounce there, but on the other hand, with all the tariff wars going on, rail might actually be hit, and CP went ahead and bought Kansas City last year, and now they are cross-continental, which was a really good thing before Trump came in. And now after Trump comes in, is there going to be a lot of traffic between Mexico, the United States, and Canada? So that may not be meeting the expectations CP had set when they originally bought Kansas City Rail. So that might be a question mark. It might continue dropping, or it might have a quick bounce here and I'll get out of it. We'll see, but it looks good for me right now. So far, the company seems to be hitting targets, and there doesn't seem to be any immediate danger, but the railways have always been resilient, so either way, if I end up holding it long term, I feel like it's still a good investment. All right, so that's it. I do have a link below for Wealthsimple if you're in Canada and you need a broker. Also, click subscribe and like so you can follow along. We'll see you later.